Joaquin, good morning.
Good morning. How can the Philippines bridge the gap between science, technology, and policymaking to improve governance? I'll repeat the question again. How can the Philippines bridge the gap between science, technology, and policymaking to improve governance?
Mama, do you want me to translate in my own words the question?
Sige po.
Alright, sige po. So, paano maisasama ng Pilipinas o mapag-ugnay-ugnay ang agham, teknolohiya at paggawa ng mga polisiya upang mapabuti ang pamamahala? So using science, technology, and society for governance.
To be honest, ladies and gentlemen, I'll go direct. It's early in the morning already. Number one, of course, the best solution to this is absolutely education. It may sound cliche, but one thing, if all the Filipinos, specifically our government leaders, are totally educated and have this knowledge, of course, of whatever their position is, then it's an easy way to mitigate all the problems that we have. Meaning to say, madali yang mapagaan, madali yang mapag-usapan. But then again, what are we doing as Filipinos? Kahit walang alam, basta't artista at sikat, pag panahon ng eleksyon, iniluluklok natin sino ang nagsasuffer, tayo mismong mga Pilipino. So in the end, the easiest way na pagsamahin ang teknolohiya at agham, science and technology, here it is. Of course, as the world evolves, we are in the modern and digital age, dapat may knowledge ang bawat isa dyan. And the best solution with that, regardless of how many technologies and development they have, one thing, it's always opening your heart. Are you really to serve? Ready to serve? Are you really willing to serve for the people? Because from the word itself, politician, you are a servant to the people, not a servant for your hidden agenda. That is why it lies within us. Kasi magiging cycle lang yan na paulit-ulit. Kung ang patuloy natin binoboto kada eleksyon, sorry for the word, hindi naman talaga naaayon ang kanyang utak sa kanyang mga posisyon na hinahangad, hindi pa rin tayo magtatagumpay. So the easiest way to bridge the gap is find the right person, kasi madali na lang palambutin ang puso. If ever may hidden agenda ang mga politician at mga government leaders natin, then this country will go on and move on with just downing, of course, submerging our economic status. In the end, it's not yet too late. Matalino naman talaga ang mga Pilipino. Nasa sa atin lang yan. Hanapin natin talaga ang isang leader na kayang masimot. Ibig sabihin, masimot dahil may pagmamahal sa bayan, may pagmamahal sa kanyang bansang pinaglilingkuran, hindi lang dahil sa pansariling interes, dahil sa pamamagitan niyan, ang agham at teknolohiya ay madali nating mapapagtugma-tugma kung mula sa kaibuturan ng puso ang pagsisilbi sa bayan. Thank you.
Wow!